Hello, future authors. Today's episode of Grammar for Kids is all about punctuation party. Come along as we celebrate the power of punctuation in making your writing fabulous. Punctuation indicators are like audience at a party. They each have a special role to play. The period ends sentences. Commas are like separators, helping to organize items in a list or separate clauses. Exclamation points show excitement or strong feelings. Let's join the punctuation party and use them to make our writing expressive and clear. Take a look at these everyday punctuation conventions. Number 1, period. I went to the store. Number 2, comma. She likes to read, comma, write, comma, and draw. Number 3, question mark. Did you finish your homework? Number 4, exclamation mark. What a beautiful sunset. Number 5, colon. Please bring the following items, colon, bread, comma, milk, comma, and eggs. Number 6, semicolon. I have a meeting at 10, semicolon. After that, comma, I will grab lunch. Number 7, quotation marks. She said, comma, I will be there by 3. Number 8, brackets. The author wrote, comma, the protagonist, main character, faces many challenges. Number 9, ellipses. She hesitated and then said, comma, I am not sure. Number 10, hyphen. It's a well-known fact. You have officially stepped into the punctuation party. Keep watching for more enjoyable grammar lessons.